Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Michelle. I am a fashion and lifestyle content creator and I would really love it if you would consider subscribing. Today I am doing a really fun video with my friend Sarah. For those of you who don't know her, she goes by Sarah Meg here on YouTube as well as Instagram. This video was actually Sarah's idea. Sarah and I always joke about how we always buy the same items. We're always buying the same clothes. We refer to everything as like, oh, friendship sweaters, oh, friendship bags, oh, friendship this, because we're always twinning. And if you don't know Sarah and I, we are also very drastically different heights. Sarah is 4'11" and I am 5'8", so even though we buy a lot of the same stuff, it gets styled and looks differently on both of us. So Sarah thought it would be a great idea for us to style and review the infamous Abercrombie mini traveler dress. Abercrombie has it both in petite, regular, and tall, which is awesome. So Sarah is going to be reviewing the petite and I'm going to be reviewing the tall, and then we'll both be styling them. So after this video, make sure you go ahead and check out Sarah's to see how she styled this dress. So like I mentioned, we are reviewing the Abercrombie traveler dress. For those of you who haven't heard of this dress, this is a really popular dress that's been going all around. I feel like social media, I've seen it all over Instagram and YouTube. It's almost like the fabric is like an athletic fabric, something that like leggings would be made out of. And what's great about this dress is it's double lined because underneath there's actually shorts, which is awesome. And the shorts actually have pockets, so you can actually put stuff in there. This dress is super breathable. I love the material. It's very lightweight. The straps are adjustable, which is great, especially if you're taller, petite. I feel like sometimes you need that extra length or you need to shorten it. So I feel like this is such a great, comfortable dress. Now, like I said, I purchased the tall. So as far as like my confidence and knowledge in buying tall items, I'm always a little bit unsure. I went off of the size chart that they had. I'm typically like a 6'8", and so I got the size medium. Now I tried on the medium and it doesn't necessarily fit me the way that I've seen the dress fit on other girls. I've seen it fit really nice and tight, and this is a little bit loose on me, so I did opt to get the small in the tall. I received the small, but it was just like an inch shorter and way too tight. So I felt like the medium and the small in the tall were drastically different. It wasn't like the small fit me perfectly. It was like significantly smaller than the medium. So I did feel like there was a really big gap between the sizes. I would say that if you're tall and you're more petite in your framing, in the sense of like you're like a 0 or a 2, I would probably go with like an extra small if they had it. I can't remember off the website, but I would say that if you're like a 6'8" and you don't have broad shoulders and maybe aren't as curvy, the small would probably fit you perfectly. I did notice that the small is shorter, so if you're curvier, the dress will sit up a little bit higher. Something to consider if you are concerned about the length. Now, what is great about this is there's shorts underneath, so even if it is a little bit shorter, it's great. I felt really confident walking around in it. I did shoot in this yesterday with Sarah and it is so comfortable. I definitely would buy this in other colors. There is a brown one that I think that would just be like absolutely perfect for fall, especially here in California because it's hot like all the time. As far as like my rating on this dress, I would definitely give it like an 8 out of 10. The only reason I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10 is because of the drastic size between the medium and the small. I do wish that there was a little bit more accuracy in the sizing. Now everybody's body is different, so these sizes might absolutely work perfectly for you. As far as like the quality of the dress, it's double lined, which is so great. Since the top is double lined and this is a white one, I didn't have to wear a bra with this and nothing showed through. I didn't wear a bra, didn't wear pasties, I just wore it as is. I personally had no issues with anything showing through. So I'm gonna go ahead and style this 5 different ways. So let's go ahead and get into the looks. how I styled the dress. I hope you guys liked those looks. Let me know which look was your favorite or how you guys would wear this dress and style it yourself. Make sure to check out Sarah's channel. Head over there to watch her video on how she styled this dress 5 different ways. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, I would really love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I just want somebody to talk to.